Hey everyone, my name is Sherman, a CPA here at Life Accounting, where we help you save on taxes and increase your wealth. Look, today I need to alert you of a huge tax change that may go into effect, which involves the IRS monitoring your bank account. I am going to give you all of the details in this episode, so be sure to like this video and comment below to let me know what you think about this. All right, first things first, let me provide you with some context here. The IRS budget fell by 20% over the last decade, which conflicts with the fact that they have been lacking the resources to identify and respond to areas of non-compliance. The IRS plans to hire over 80,000 new IRS agents, and there are currently 75,000 employees at the IRS right now. So this will double the size of the IRS. So it sounds like a lot more audits of tax returns, so make sure you're filing your returns carefully moving forward. By the way, if you earn a lot of income, they especially want to come after you. But not only do they want more money, but they also want more access to you. Specifically, they want more access to your bank accounts. They want to monitor transactions that occur in your personal bank accounts over $600 or more. And here's why. The IRS estimates that they are losing about $166 billion per year because of the reporting difficulties associated with identifying non-compliance. Or in other words, people who earn income but do not report that income on their tax returns. Or people who take deductions for expenses that actually never occurred. So basically, they think this would provide more comprehensive reporting and increase the visibility of your financial matters to the IRS, which they hope will enhance the effectiveness of their enforcement and encourage voluntary compliance amongst taxpayers, since they know the IRS can now see this information. And if people know that the IRS can see all of their financial information, they think it will reduce the odds of them cheating on their tax returns. By the way, in case you did not know, in general, all money you earn is considered taxable in the eyes of the IRS. So if you do a project for someone and they pay you over $600, the IRS would see it and they would expect you to report this amount on your tax return. And then if you don't, that could get you into some serious trouble if this goes into effect. All right, so here's how this would work if this does actually go into effect. Basically, the proposal is for banks to submit financial information from your bank account directly to the IRS, which would apply to personal accounts, investment accounts, and business accounts. By the way, if you're thinking about taking your money out of your bank and putting it in crypto, the IRS is already ahead of you. The proposal specifically states that similar reporting requirements would apply to crypto asset exchanges and custodians. And if this legislation is approved, then this would go into effect as early as 2023. Now, of course, there is a lot of opposition to this. There are concerns around things like your privacy and the potential to abuse this information. In a recent letter, dozens of lawmakers signed a letter stating that they do not believe these changes are necessary or helpful toward closing the tax gap. Furthermore, they believe that these changes will impose significant compliance costs on financial institutions and infringe on the privacy of millions of Americans. And on the topic of privacy, they also mentioned how it would make people's financial data vulnerable to attacks. And considering that the IRS already experiences 1.4 billion cyber attacks annually, they believe that they should not receive more sensitive data to manage. They state that privacy is one of the primary reasons why individuals choose not to open bank accounts, and that this would only make this situation worse. But what do you think about this? Do you think this rule would be fair? Comment below and let me know what you're thinking. And if you want to learn more about the tax changes in Biden's tax proposal, watch my full video on the new tax hikes and tax credits that may come about if his plans are approved.